Is your organization struggling with managing contract documents? Do you worry about being audited years after the acquisitions are completed? Are you scrambling through multiple file rooms, contract documents, and emails, and have problems locating the latest versions? Introducing eCase Contracts, an enterprise-level contract management and e-filing solution from Ains, built on the eCase platform. eCase Contracts simplifies contract document filing and retrieval while ensuring compliance with your organization's unique contract filing processes. It provides tools to integrate with your existing contract writing systems, to sync and file contract documents automatically into eCase Contracts' document management system. eCase Contracts allows for configuration of filing hierarchies to organize and file your contract documents by configurable phases, document, and subdocument types. Contract documents, mods, amendments, change orders, and all other deliverables are managed and tracked from pre-solicitation to award to contract closeout. Set rules to automatically be notified if a document is missing from a contract file. Have complete confidence in the event of an audit or FOIA request, knowing that the complete official record is maintained in a single place, self-audited, and archived in a timely fashion. After contract closure, integrated records management enables organizations to comply with records retention requirements. Mark documents as records automatically based on workflow steps or contract dates, and enforce agency retention and archival schedules. While contract writing solutions are often only accessible to contracting officers and specialists, eCase Contracts provide secure access to contract documents across your organization, including technical staff, financial staff, project management staff, contracting officers and specialists, and other personnel on demand through a secure web interface. Configure permissions and security to match the security controls you want to give, and ensure documents don't fall into the wrong hands. Provide appropriate access to a contract's latest price list, as well as corresponding terms and conditions, empowering permissioned users to take actions based on the correct information. Send your documents automatically for approval and review, and track comments and signatures throughout the process. Activities that took weeks to accomplish are now streamlined with automated out-of-the-box workflows, integrated electronic and digital signature capture, and a complete audit trail of the process. eCase Contracts also allows you to search and retrieve contract files and related contract documents using keywords and filters. Gain visibility into your contract portfolio, track key milestones, and report on missing required documents from your contracts using configurable dashboards and out-of-the-box reports. For more information on eCase Contracts or to request a demo, visit our website.